In this tutorial, I'll show you how to organize the Google Chrome interface for a cleaner and more productive browsing experience. You'll learn how to organize your tabs, customize the browser's appearance, and make better use of Chrome's built-in features. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. If you have several tabs open, you can organize them by creating tab groups. Right-click any tab, select Add Tab to New Group, then give the group a name and choose a color. You can drag additional tabs into the group to keep related websites together. If there are websites you use all the time, such as your email or calendar, right-click the tab and select Pin. Pinned tabs stay on the left side of the tab bar and take up less space, making them easy to access throughout the day. You can also rearrange your tabs by clicking and dragging them into a different position. If you'd like to move a tab into its own window, simply drag it away from the current window and Chrome will create a new one automatically. To customize Chrome's appearance, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Settings. Open the Appearance section where you can adjust options such as the bookmark bar and other interface settings available in your version of Chrome. Next, open a new tab and click Customize Chrome in the bottom right corner. From here, you can change the browser's color theme, choose a background image, or personalize the new tab page to match your preferences. Your changes are applied automatically. You can also use Chrome's side panel to quickly access your bookmarks, reading list, and other supported features. Click the side panel button on the toolbar to open or close it whenever you need quick access to those tools. That's how to organize the Google Chrome interface. Thanks for watching.